What's going on, everybody? My name is Noble, and in today's video we are going to be canceling our Audible membership. Now, unfortunately, there is not a way to cancel through the app, but I will show you how to do it on your phone as well as on desktop. We're going to start off on desktop here, and we're just going to go to audible.com. You guys can see that we're here already. Obviously, make sure that you're signed in, and once you're signed in, click on your name here and then go to account details. Now, once you're here, it's very simple. All you have to do is check out what you've got. You can actually try to manage this if you want. If you choose to cancel and then want to renew your membership, you can do that. You can also pause your membership, which means they won't charge you again when your membership is supposed to renew. Instead, you have to come back and unpause it so that you can be charged at a later time. I'm actually going to cancel my membership for right now, but this is the way that you would do it. You've got cancel membership here, and then if you wanted to simply manage your memberships, you can switch memberships, pause your membership, or renew your membership. So that's as easy as you can get over on the PC side. We are going to show you how to do it on the phone as well. So if you just give me 1 second, we will be right back. All right, you guys, so here we are on my phone. As I said, if you go to the app, there's not a direct way to cancel your membership here. You guys can see my account here. If you go to your account, even and scroll down to your switch membership, you can't actually cancel it. You can renew it ahead of time, or you can switch plans, but that's not what we want to do right now. We want to cancel it. So you're not going to be using your app, but you can go to audible.com on your web browser on your phone. And then again, as always, make sure that you're signed in. So we are signed in here. And then once you're signed in, go ahead and click on the menu and then click on your name at the very top and go to membership details. Now here, if you scroll down some, you guys can see you've got the same options that we had on PC. You can see all membership plans if you want to manage it, maybe change your plan to a smaller or higher tier plan. You can pause your membership or you can cancel. So that's the way that you cancel on Audible. Unfortunately, like I said, it's not available on the app. Hopefully they do add that soon. If you found it helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I will see you on the next video.